Senator Ted Cruz in Galveston today visiting possible construction sites for the proposed coastal barrier, also known as the Ike Dike. That project coming with a $31 billion price tag.
Adam Bennett shows us the one key step before work can start and what lawmakers say they'll do to speed up construction.
5 years ago tomorrow, Hurricane Harvey made landfall. 2 years ago, the mayor here in Galveston ordered a mandatory evacuation as Hurricane Laura was approaching. Lawmakers say you never know when the next storm could hit, which is why they say they want to get this project built as quickly as possible.
At the end of Seawall Boulevard in Galveston, it's a potential new site to protect not just the island from future hurricanes, but the larger Gulf Coast region. Senator Ted Cruz, Congressman Randy Weber, and State Rep Mays Middleton visited two potential construction sites for the Ike Dike today.
So it's 5 times Houston Ship Channel.
The 70-mile-long coastal barrier was first proposed after Hurricane Ike's 22-foot storm surge devastated coastal communities. The project is designed to protect human lives and the largest petrochemical complex in the U.S.
When the refinery shut down for a skeleton crew during Hurricane Ike, gasoline in Ohio spiked 60 cents a gallon. What we do here has a massive impact.
Once the House and Senate reconcile their versions of the bill, President Joe Biden will then need to sign it into law. Construction is expected to take around 20 years.
And it will depend upon the appropriation battles. I can tell you on Congress, it's my intention to continue leading the fight because I think this is a plan that is prudent, is fiscally responsible, saves lives, and protects jobs.
65% of the money to build the Ike Dike will come from the federal government. State lawmakers created the Gulf Coast Protection District to come up with the rest.
Now the nitty-gritty is actually designing the true parts of that system, and we're just entering that phase now.
The area's congressman hopes to have the final reconciled bill on President Biden's desk within the next couple of months. Once built, officials say the Ike Dike could last between 80 to 100 years. Back to you.
We can only hope so. Anything to protect our coast
Yeah,
there.
because we know eventually we're going to get something coming up Galveston Bay.
Absolutely. I just think of what it took to build the seawall, which was a gigantic engineering project of concrete and literally raising the level of Galveston Island. So
They needed to have started yesterday, actually.
we were just discussing
Yesterday,
that, right?
a couple of decades ago,
The sea